everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to take backup of your WordPress site. Now we all need a backup of our WordPress site because we all know how much WordPress keeps crashing, and we cannot let that happen if it was a HTML site, so we won't really look forward to taking a backup. We still take a backup of HTML sites, but it's less risky. While WordPress is a whole new platform, it can crash whenever it wants, and that is not good, so we take backups of it. And thankfully there are plugins to take backup, and we do not have to do it manually the way we do it in HTML sites or any other kind of site. So I'm going to be showing you. Here is, there we go. Okay, so here is a dashboard of my WordPress. It's basically a client's website. So over here, if you see, first you have to look for the plugin section and go ahead and do add new. Okay, now what you have to do is just go ahead and, well, the best plugin for taking WordPress backups is UpDraftPlus, and that's what exactly I'm going to be doing. Just type UpDraft and you're going to get this plugin right over here. I already have this plugin, so it doesn't show, gives me a place to install now, but it's already like updated in my browser, so I have it. What you have to do is go ahead and install the plugin. Basically, this is the best WordPress backup plugin, and I totally recommend this one. You can also get the premium version of this plugin, but basically the free version does it all, so you don't really need a premium version. In the premium version, you'll get more features, but the main features you already get in the normal one. Now, if you go in settings, and then you go a little down, you'll find UpDraft backups in there. Okay, now as you can see, this is the main backup and restore dashboard. So we're just learning how to take backups, so I'm not going to go in that much detail. We're not going to migrate or anything, we just need to be on its homepage, which we are over here. As you can see, I've already taken a lot of backups before, and now I'm going to take a new one with you guys. So here you can see the backup now option. All you have to do, there's no signs, just click on it. And if you, well, UpDraft gives this option, which I think is really cool, that it will delete the backup manually when you're, for example, today is July 29th. You took a backup, and then tomorrow is July 30th. You updated the site and took a backup again. So you don't really need the July 29th backup, so it will automatically delete the 29th backup, and you'll stay on the 30th one. But if you think you're not gonna, you don't want it to delete automatically, you can do it manually. So you can just take this option, or not take it. I'll take this one because I would have deleted it manually just in case. Name, because it's the backup of this site, and then just click backup now, and it will do what it does best: create a backup. And your backup is basically done loading. I basically stopped it because I don't need it right now. When you go down, you're going to see that your backup has came over here. Now there's going to be a database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. You basically need all of these to download on your computer so that you do not lose access of these. Don't just let them be over here, download them to your computer. Now this is how you download them. Basically just click on database, and it will give you an option of download to your computer. Then just click on plugins again, and this will give you download to your computer. When you click on download to your computer, so that is it. That's how you basically use UpDraft to back up your website. Now let me know down below what WordPress related videos do you want me to do next, and I'll do them. See you later. Bye.